Who knew that the cheapest barcode scanner is a keyboard, which I'm going to demonstrate in a second. Okay, you'll have a screencast on the right. The app is called Barcode and QR Keyboard, which you can see the logo. It's nice and pink, violet, whatever it is. I am going to log into GebWMS to give you a taste of what it feels like to use it. I'm gonna scan a product. I have a lovely barcode scanning ability here. It has a narrow slit. I'm gonna jam in the product and click search. There you have it. It has found that it's a monster, some locations where it exists, all dummy data obviously. Now I'm going to scan the location, and again I have a nice button to scan the barcode. Again, nice narrow slit. I'm gonna scan it, beautiful, search for the location, and there you have it. This has to be the cheapest way to get a barcode scanner into your warehouse. If you don't use your storage too often, this is just perfect. You can't go wrong. You just need a smartphone, and that's really it. If you want to go a bit crazy, you can literally just buy a rugged smartphone, a cheap one. There are plenty of Chinese brands out there, but I digress. This works perfectly, and that's it. Thanks for watching.